All right, this week I will not be in class. I have to go to a workshop, but I did want to leave you guys with a couple of ideas. We're going to be ending our period on 2,000 Leagues Under the Sea and our section really on the history and background of science fiction. I'm going to finish looking at that science fiction history PowerPoint. I'm going to be just talking on each slide. I want you guys to look at each slide and listen to my discussions. Take as long as you need to take. I'm also going to have a slide on the Nautilus, a slideshow on the Nautilus for you, and a slideshow that's going to introduce you to our next section, which is looking at different novums, different types of science fiction. So you're going to have a slideshow about the different types with a slight review. This is just an overview, which will lead us to our next sections and how you're going to start looking at science fiction. I'm also going to ask you to watch your first video. For this one, because it was easier, I'm asking you to rent a video from Amazon for $1.99. If you can find it elsewhere for free, go for it. But it's called The Prophets of Science Fiction. And this particular one is about Jules Verne and some of his pieces. And I thought it was a nice ending to our Jules Verne discussion. Next week we'll be moving on to Do Androids Dream of Electric Sheep. And I'm also going to be asking you to watch a video from that as well that looks at Philip K. Dick. One of the things we'll see when we look at some of the other science fiction writers is that very often science fiction writers move from the realm of writer to the realm of, I don't know, almost godlike in some cases. In the case of Philip K. Dick, he actually starts his own church, and we know that the Church of Scientology was actually created by a science fiction writer. So it's interesting when we start looking at science fiction in terms of where it belongs in the universe, and more so in terms of how close it is to, oftentimes to religion. Religion and science fiction often overlap, usually in a negative sense, in that science fiction often exposes some of the more dangers that can exist in religion that's left unchecked. So I leave you with 3 PowerPoints to look at in a video. Your papers are coming up. I want those topics, and there's a whole section now under where your paper 1 is that goes over the outline, how to do outlines, how to do bibliographies, how to do your citations. If you need more information, I'm going to have a video also there for you that will talk more about how to do the paper. Alright, so I will see you next week, and have a good week. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to email or to post. Okay? Bye-bye.